Yeah, I mean, cost reduction was kind of a big factor. I mean, both from kind of just the spend on what we were going to pay for contracting fees, but also from just the fact of reusing tools that we already have in order to make efficient tools. So overall, I mean, I'd say that we have saved costs because we're not going out into the market looking for pre-built solutions. We're going to somebody that we know and trust to help us build a solution that's going to work for us.
Proud of the support that they gave us throughout the process, and they're still giving us, now. They're an Office 365 shop that developed a lot of different intranets, and I was really captivated by that. And also the project management skills, the project management practice, and throughout the development of of all those different systems that they're doing for us, right, including the intranet and some other systems that they're working on. We've seen the way they approach the client, right? They're there for us. I mean, we oftentimes have daily communication, sometimes multiple times a day, and this is what we're looking for in a partner, right? Somebody that is there for us. They're very professional, they're very efficient, and they deliver what they say they're going to do.
Yeah, so as far as being able to improve the processes, we've kind of seen that, we have been able to kind of deliver tools to our business that we, wouldn't have been able to do before.
They're here not just to develop a pro for us and go, but they're here throughout the whole way. So we are really enjoying we have very good synergy going on. These guys are up to date with all Microsoft technologies, and we feel upon each other. We present the business case, they come out with a solution. They're always willing to take care of the problems, our rights. They have a great leadership team, and and I think that we have a very good relationship. I think that we have a very good synergy.